Language focus. Titles with names. For men, use Mr. with the full name or just with the last name. For married women, use Mrs. and added the husband's last name. For all women, you can also use Ms. pronounced Ms. Ms. does not tell you if a woman is married or not. Mrs. Ahmed, Mr. Ahmed, Ms. Nina, Miss Salma Ali. Use Mr. before a man's full name or before his surname or last name. Example, Mr. Babul Ahmed or Mr. Ahmed, not Mr. Babul. Use Mrs. before a married woman's name. Use Mrs. with her husband's last name. Example, Mrs. Rita Ahmed or Mrs. Babul Ahmed or Mrs. Ahmed, not Mrs. Rita. Use Miss before an unmarried woman's name. Example, Miss Rubaya Ahmed. Miss tells us only that it's a woman's name. It does not tell us if she is married or not. Use Miss for both a married and an unmarried woman. Example, Ms. Rita Ahmed or Ms. Rubaya Ahmed.
Choose the correct answer.
Mr. Hussain, Mrs. Salma Rahman, Miss Shaila Khan,
Read and match. Drag and put the speeches to the correct persons. Group work. Ask and answer the following question.
1. What's your full name? 2. How do you spell your first name? 3. What's your last name again? 4. Do you have a nickname?
Write your friend's information in your textbook.